Do you want to delete your Roblox account? You can delete it permanently or you can deactivate it temporarily. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do both. So let's get started. First, let me show you how to deactivate it. Open a browser and go to roblox.com. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Now from the left menu, click Privacy and Content Restrictions. Here you can see this option, Account Deactivation and Deletion. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, then click Deactivate. Now again, click Deactivate to confirm. Now let me show you how to permanently delete your Roblox account. Again, go to the Settings. This time, click on Help and Safety and click Help Center. Now in the search box, type Delete Account. Under Account Deletion, click on Support Form. Now fill out the form. First name, email, username. Under Issue Details, select your device type, and in the type of Help category, select I want to delete my account. Do the same for the subcategory box. In the description box, write something like, I would like to permanently delete my Roblox account. Click Submit and you're done. And that's how you can deactivate or permanently delete your Roblox account. If this guide helped you, drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.